Well, I decided that I'm going to do this in the mornings for the rest of these treatments, and I'm not going to wait until the nighttime because I'm getting nothing done. Thank you, Herbivore, for my new jade roller. Oh, this is so great. Let's not drop it. So we jump right to it. Ugh. Gonna roll my face out quick. I was so reluctant to buy one of these in the beginning because I'm like, does this thing really work? Like, what does this do? In my opinion, rolling your face obviously creates blood flow. I get migraines really bad, so rubbing my forehead like this, I'm releasing that tension that I hold in my jaw and my forehead, which causes those migraines. Reducing my wrinkles because I'm creating that blood flow. And I'm giving myself a little love, giving my face. You can see when you rub that you flush out, so you know it's working. So I just want to kind of rub myself quick. Roll myself. Let me rephrase that. So I'm just gonna roll out my skin and then I'm gonna jump into my treatment and then get my makeup done. I could not believe yesterday's treatment when I did it and I put my makeup on, like the amount of people that were in my DMs, like, oh my God. I'm like, right? The sky is slowly fading. They say you want to kind of pull the toxins. This also does toxins. That's right. There's one more thing. So I think you're supposed to roll a certain way. I just kind of just do whatever. So flushing my face. I also did a fun lip scrub earlier, so my lips are like nice and soft. Self-care is so easy. I'm pretty much giving myself like 20 minutes a day and I've noticed a huge improvement. So isn't it amazing that I'm almost done and like my skin is just, it's so much better. Like it's even. My complexion is better. Oh, feeling it. Look at how many are left. I'm like so pumped that I committed to this. Like I really am. Okay. But I will be glad when this is all done because I just want to go back to like my face mask Friday that I do because I just cleaned out my bathroom. And I found my other face mask that I love. Okay. It's like, it's like this like holographic, like illuminating glass in glass. Like I can't explain it. I'll leave a link to what I'm talking about down below. So it's called the prism or something. And that's what it looks like. It's like a prism, like, you know, when light hits glass and you get all those different colors. That's basically what that face mask looks like and what it does to your face. So good. I will say one thing, that this bad boy is taking off a lot of extra makeup that I'm not getting off. It kind of tells me that I haven't been washing my face very well. I'm definitely gonna buy another box of these for sure. And I probably will just do it maybe every other day. I just hate the waste. Hate it. These things work too good to like quit doing them. Like if this thing is gonna keep me looking how I did yesterday, I'm sold forever. When I'm dead in the casket, just do this right before you put me under. Hopefully that won't be for a while because I'm just starting to feel myself again. So that's odd. I feel like this has gotten a little better too, my mustache. And as a woman, that really sucks having that. I feel like I do have a mustache and being blonde doesn't help. Like if I had obviously a darker complexion, darker skin, probably wouldn't drive me as nuts. But yeah, this thing was well worth it. Honestly, for the price of that box, that's nothing for your result. Sold. Okay. Wanted to hit my chest today because I haven't done it. I don't think in a few days. I can't remember. But I am not washing my face very well, so not very good. All right, step one, just like that. Bam. Trying to make these a little faster because there's no reason why these things should be 20-minute videos. Clearly I'm talking too much and not scrubbing enough. So, but if you're new here, welcome. My videos won't always be like this, but for the time being they are. I'm here to talk to you about skincare and self-care to get that face looking like cake. That makes me like so hungry. I've been craving like cupcakes. But my face does this, so I can't. I'm not allowed to have sweets. I love this step because I feel like it's just like you all of a sudden like you got a hydration pack. Like they hooked you up to like an IV and you got some saline. Isn't that what they give you when you're dehydrated? Something like that. The good thing about this is if you do want to put makeup on after, you totally can. And if you watch the video before this, I show you that. It's amazing. I just like doing it at night just because it's a part of my relaxation. So I've been trying to work on my anxiety. So at night is when I kind of just decide that like, okay, my day is done. Wind down, take it down. Take it down, take it down. So I like to do this at night so I can read, have my wine, and just chill. But it's also really fun to do this in the morning and then put makeup on and be like, damn, I look good, you know? If you don't know, you need these. This thing just works so good. I've been trying to like do my eyes a little more. All right, this is almost dry. So, all about that jade roller, all about this face wipe, all about having buttery skin and a great complexion. I've been trying to part my hair to train it. But just like that, it's amazing. I feel so good. Like, it's just nice to have, like, you feel like you just left the med spa. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I'm Danny. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.